I recently tried the Althea 345 Relief Cream, and it has quickly become a staple in my skincare routine. This lightweight, nutrient-rich gel cream is fantastic for post-acne care and delivers a multi-layered approach to skin healing and hydration. It effectively addresses dark spots and hyperpigmentation, while also reducing redness and repairing the skin barrier. One of the standout aspects of this cream is its powerful blend of key ingredients: niacinamide, panthenol, and Opuntia ficus indica stem extract. The niacinamide, vitamin B3, does wonders for fading dark spots, regulating oil production, and enhancing the skin's moisture barrier. Panthenol is great for soothing irritated skin and providing deep hydration, while Opuntia ficus indica offers exceptional moisture, especially for dry and sensitive skin. The cream absorbs beautifully without leaving a heavy or greasy feel, making it ideal for daily use even in a multi-step skincare routine. I love how it feels refreshing on the skin, and its long-lasting hydration keeps my complexion feeling soft and nourished all day. Another bonus is that it's vegan, free from artificial colors or fragrances, and EWG Green Grade rated, so it's gentle and safe for sensitive skin. How to apply? Apply an adequate amount of the resveratrol 345 cream as your final or semi-final step in your skincare routine. Overall, I highly recommend the Althea 345 Relief Cream for anyone dealing with blemishes, hyperpigmentation, or redness. It's a well-rounded product that not only nourishes the skin, but also provides soothing care, making it a perfect addition to any skincare routine.